Hello everyone, today I'll be unboxing this BaBylissPRO hairdryer, and this hairdryer is from Amazon and it is 2000 watts, you could see right there, and I'll just be taking a look at how this hairdryer works and is it really worth it. So let's dive into the unboxing of this Ceramix Xtreme hairdryer, which is 2000 watts, like I said. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. All I have to do is take a look where that little tab is, over here, and I simply pull it out. Then I lift the box, revealing the contents inside. Inside, I'm greeted with a little wire, which may be the hairdryer, and I've also got a user guide underneath, tucked under here. It also includes an extra head if you want to do a different type of configuration. Now, let's take a look. So, here's the hairdryer. Let me just pull it out for you. Right here. There's a user guide in there. I'll take a look at that, but here's the hairdryer. Wrapped in plastic, easily can be pulled off gently by pulling it out. Now, very nice rubber design. Feels pretty premium, so that's a good factor there. Here's the back where it suctions. Here's the front where it comes out. And there's your cold shot button. I didn't mention that, but there's a cold shot button. So if you don't want heat, you can still press it for a few seconds and get your cold shot mode on. Over here, you got your hot, warm, and cool function settings here. So you can just like adjust it. Also, you've got your high, low, and off. So if you want really fast and a huge blow, you can get high or just low. And then off. And that's pretty much it for the button controls, as I know so far. Alright, now, let's take a look at this little attachment. I'm going to read the user manual because I'm not sure what this attachment is for. So let's grab our user manual out of the box here. Here is the user manual, BaBylissPRO oh, that's in Spanish. 2000 watts. This is the correct side, sorry. Alright, so it's a dryer, and here's your guide. Let's see what's that attachment for. The manual just contains safety and regulatory information, and how to pull out the little protector from the outlet. And I think I'm on the Spanish side here. Here's English, and a 2-year warranty, which is quite nice. Feel free, if you want to read it, just pause it and hit the 1080p button, and I'll just show you here again. That's pretty much it. So that extra attachment is just to like get a different configuration, and that's it. Let's take a look at the hairdryer again. Here it is, and I'm wondering, this little attachment here, it's for like this area here where it joins. Let's pull it out of the plastic. Here's the plastic. I think it goes in right here. Oh wow, that is really cool. You get a different attachment. So if you want like a very thin blow to come to your hair or drying something perhaps, you can just push it in, and here's your second configuration. Very nice, cool feature. Thumbs up on that for making this extra attachment design, and I haven't seen that on any hairdryer recently. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to get this plugged in so I can take a demo of how it works and what it can do. I'll be right back. So let me just take out the little protector here so we can pull it out. I mean cable tie, so it looks like it's stuck here. Let me try again. There you go. I thought it was stuck. And there it is. I'm able to easily unravel the wire. Let me just plug this in for a second. I'll be right back. So let me pull out the little protector that it came with, as you can see, just to protect the needles on the outlet, the prongs. So I'll get this plugged in for you guys so we can test it out. Alright, I'll plug it in. Let's turn our switch on. I haven't turned it on yet, and here it is. Let's first try out the high, lower, off. Let's start with low. Oh, it's so tight. There you go. Very, very powerful. Honestly, I've got to say, that is really nice. And it's not on heat yet. So, it's very loud, so I'll talk like this. It's not on heat mode yet. You could see it says hot, warm, and cool. I have to turn it up. But there's still a cold shot button if you really want to, for a few seconds, pause and get cold heat. Let's try again. Here's low. Here's your very nice configuration. Let's try high mode. Even more powerful. You can see how powerful it is. My blanket is moving. Oh my god, it is really powerful. All my items are like flying. Okay, that is really powerful. Turn that off. That is really nice. Now let's try the hot, warm, and cool functions now. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to put it on low for now. And let's try warm. Okay, now it is kind of becoming warm. Like, I think there's a coil inside of it, so like it just becomes warm here. Now let's try hot. This might burn my hands, so just watch. Alright, that's hot. Pretty nice. It doesn't really make it too hot, so you don't like burn your hands or hair, but it's decent. So now, if you don't want to go into cool mode and you want to quickly just get a cold shot for a few seconds, you can just hit that cold shot button right here. Now that activates the cold shot mode. I know it's not possible for you to see it on camera, but that's what it is. You can hear the noise of the motor change. And right, yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. So thank you for watching this really quick unboxing of a hairdryer. Just a little unboxing video to fill it in to my channel since I haven't done anything in a while. And if you want to purchase this, I'll leave some links in the description below to purchase it on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like if you liked my video, and peace out.